It is new knife day here at Sharpening Supplies, and today we have the Benchmade Mini. So we're going to test this on the edge on up to see how sharp it is straight out of the box. Try the heel of the knife. Ooh, 347 grams. The middle of the blade, 189 grams. Now let's try the tip of the knife. 301 grams. That gives us an average of 279 grams. Let's strop for just 1 minute and see if we can improve that edge. Here we go. Okay, let's see what that stropping has done to the edge. Starting with the heel. 210, the middle of the knife. 166, and the tip of the knife. 261. So that gives us an average of 212 grams. So we've managed to increase the sharpness of this by about 60-70 grams. Not bad for just a minute's stropping.